What if you could earn secure, inflation-proof, double-digit returns from property investment while improving the lives of the UK population? This isn't your typical buy-to-let. This is specialist-supported housing, a smarter, more ethical way to invest. Let's look at the smart features first. We offer apartments and houses across the UK for cash buyer prices that start from £140,000, with income from day one and exceptional yields. The rent is paid by the Department for Work and Pensions with an upwards-only rent review each year and no voids thanks to a long-term lease contract. Under the lease, costs such as the service charge, ground rent and maintenance are covered for you, so you get a strong cash flow with no deductions. And the ethical aspect? You get to provide much-needed accommodation for adults with learning difficulties or mental health issues. This is an investment that has a real social impact. To find out more about investing in this sector, register now for details of current opportunities and a TKI Residential consultant will be in touch.